Hi everyone, welcome to DevLog video about browser online game Warships. And in this video, I just want to tell you some changes which I made in version 0.3. And let's go. So I added slots for warships, so I can build some warships, for example, 5 loggers. I will press create and I will get warships queue, and I can see that it's only 1 of 1. So it means that there is only 1 slot for my warships. But if I increase my shipyard level, so I will get more slots for warships. First level means that I have only 1 slot, second level 2 slots, and so on. So after that, I changed my UI for fleets. So I divided my fleets to trading fleets, expedition fleets, and other fleets. And I can see that there are slots too. So I have only 2 slots for trading fleet and 2 slots for expedition fleet. And I can change it by researching new 2 technologies like expedition system and trade system. So each level increase available slot by 1. After that, I created new page warships improvements. There is special improvements for warships. I can improve, for example, capacity or attack or health for each type of warships. For example, I can improve capacity for my loggers. Yeah, I can press improve. I will spend 2. I've already spent 1 card for previous improvement. Yeah, and I can spend 2 cards of 2 available cards to improve my capacity from 1% to 2%. So, and when I go to warships page, I can see that I have updated parameters of my capacity. It was 100, but with plus 2%, it's 102. And for attack and for health, I have the same updated parameters. We can find those cards in expeditions. Every time player send expedition, he can find new cards for his warships. After that, I changed my my map page a bit. I add new section, like a trade section, and I changed trading a little bit. So I can press trade. I can choose just several warships, yeah, for trading, and I can send fleet, and this fleet will be sent to some random player for trading. So right now I don't need to specify to which island I want to go to trade. Yeah, it will be done automatically. For my refining system, I added slots feature too. For example, right now we have 2 slots for refining, but I added new building which is called workshop, and if we increase level of this workshop, we will get more slots for refining. For researches, I added new type of resource. It's called knowledge. So we can get it only in expeditions, and we can spend it for our researches. And last thing which I want to show you, I removed logs page, yeah, and I merged it to just messages page. And of course, I changed UI a bit for this page. Now it looks better, and I can see some messages. And for each message, I changed like templates for it. And yeah, I have special title. I have date of message. I have information about fleet, and I have information about resources. In this message, for example, fleet is back. It means that my 5 loggers returned to my island, and they brought 123 gold. Of course, I have another templates, for example, like attack some island. I have information who won this battle. I changed UI a bit here, just small changes, nothing so special. And I have messages almost for every event. So I think that in this way, it's more comfortable for player to understand what happened with his fleet. So, and one important thing that, for example, I can't order more than 10 loggers, for example, or 10 any warships at one time. Even if I ordered 15 warships, I can create only 10 per one slot. And so if I press create button, I will see that I ordered only 10 of them, because 10 is maximum for one slot. So if I want order 15, so I need 2 slots for that. And I think that it's all for this version 0.3. And I have a lot of ideas for version 0.4. So I will implement them soon. I will show you more new features in this game. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, press the like button, leave a comment if you have something to say, and see you in the next video. Bye.